Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and everyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.